Hello, so today I'm going to show you the step-by-step instructions for how to complete your solo contest video recording. I have started by opening the assignment called Solo Contest Video Recording. All of the steps that I'm about to go through in this video are written out right here. You can follow these and do just fine. Step 1 says download the piano part to your solo from this folder. So I'm going to click on the folder. It opens up a Google Drive folder, and I'm looking for the title of my solo. There's a whole bunch in here. I am playing Ancient Air, and some of your solos are in here at a slow tempo and a fast tempo. Pick the one that you know you need. I'm playing Ancient Air at 112, so I'm going to click on this. It opens it up, but remember, if I go back, it says download the piano part. So I'm going to actually download this recording to my computer. That's what the little arrow means. And then I'm going to open it. And it has popped up in my iTunes. I don't want to start it right now. I just want it to be ready. What you should do is maybe click on it kind of in the middle and make sure that the volume is pretty loud enough that you can hear it. Right? But you are going to be playing your instrument on top of that. So you need to make sure that it's at a volume that you can really hear the piano also. Okay, so I have that ready. Now I'm going to go back to my assignment. Step 2 says watch this video to see the step-by-step instructions. That's the video I'm making right now. It'll be in there later. Step 3, click submit assignment in the top right corner. Step 4, click record/upload media. You might have to scroll down to see this if your computer screen is smaller than mine. Record/upload media. The easiest thing to do is do this in the Canvas recording studio. However, if that doesn't work for you or you have another way that you like to record better, you can click the upload media and then select the video file that you already have on your computer. But make sure you follow all of these instructions. Okay, so then I'm going to start recording. Now I am going to stand up when I do my solo performance. So I'm going to angle my computer up. I'm going to stand up. I'm going to start recording. Hello, my name is Heather Becker. I play the clarinet at Hudson Middle School, and today I will be performing Ancient Air. Then I'm going to go, you're not going to say all this in your video. I'm going to go to my iTunes. And I'm going to start my recording. Pretend like that's the end. I don't want you to have to listen to all of that. And then when you finish, you're going to say, thank you for listening. Have a nice day. And I click the finish button. Okay. Then what I would do is I would go back and I would listen to what I just recorded. Push this play button. Hello, my name is Heather Becker. I play the clarinet at Hudson Middle School, and today I will be performing Ancient Air. So you can hear me clearly. Then I'm going to go, you're not going to say all this in your video. I'm going to go to my iTunes and I'm going to start my recording. Notice I stood up when I played. I also was dressed up. The nicer you dress, usually the nicer the judge is to you. So take that for what it's worth. You want to look nice in your video. You want it to be in a quiet environment. And just do the best that you can. Make sure, again, I'm going to push play again, to make sure that I can hear both the piano and the clarinet at the same time. My piano is a little bit loud. maybe. Okay, so my video is okay. I could maybe have adjusted the volume a little bit. So you're gonna need to listen to it before you submit it. But when you are ready, if you need to do it over, click start over and try again. Don't just submit the first recording that you do if it's not up to par. It has to be good enough before you submit it. The next thing you're gonna do is change the name of the file to your name and the title of your solo. And then you're going to click save. Don't forget to click save. Once you do that, it might take just a second. You'll see up here on the assignment, it says ready to submit, and it has a little play button because that's what you just attached to it. You click submit assignment to turn in the final thing, and then you will receive confetti in your honor. Yay! Congratulations, you finished your solo recording. That is how you have to submit all of your solo contest videos. Remember, they are due on Tuesday, February 16th. Good luck. Practice with the recordings before you submit them.